Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing a powerful 3500W electric meat grinder with multiple vegetable attachments and multifunction kitchen capabilities. If you enjoy cooking fresh homemade meals and want a faster way to prepare ingredients, this appliance could become a very useful helper in your kitchen. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its strong motor power. The grinder processes meat quickly and efficiently, making it suitable for preparing minced meat for burgers, meatballs, sausages, dumplings, and many other recipes. The appliance also includes 12 different attachments, which greatly expand its functionality. In addition to meat grinding, you can use various attachments for shredding and slicing vegetables, making homemade food preparation much more convenient. The stainless steel grinding components help provide reliable performance and consistent results during everyday use. Another great feature is the practical and modern design. Despite its powerful capabilities, the appliance remains compact enough for regular home kitchens and doesn't take up too much storage space. The long 1.8-meter power cord also improves convenience by giving you more flexibility when placing the appliance on your countertop. Using the controls is simple and beginner-friendly, making the grinder suitable even for people with little experience using kitchen appliances. Overall, this multifunction electric meat grinder combines power, versatility, and convenience in one compact device, making it a great option for home cooking enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.